Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you the 23 SAT tips and tricks you must use. So please make sure that you watch the other episode as well. So let's get it started. Tip 16. If both answers are grammatically correct, pick the more concise one. Concision, or using as few words as necessary to make a point effectively, is one of the abilities tested on the SAT writing section. Understanding the best grammatically correct option is equally as important as understanding what the grammatically correct alternative is in order to effectively respond to concision questions. Tip 17. Analyze, then write. The new SAT's essay questions ask you to evaluate a passage's argument. The graders are looking for evidence that you understand the author's argument and can clearly explain it in writing. You have 50 minutes to complete the essay, so take at least 10 to 15 minutes to ensure that you comprehend all the author is stating and how you will structure your essay in light of your analysis. Tip 18. Use specific evidence instead of simply summarizing the author's thesis in your own words. Support your claims with concrete instances. When you initially read the passage, highlight any lines or phrases that demonstrate the author's persuasive strategies. To emphasize the most crucial ideas in your essay, employ direct quotations. Tip 19. Get ready the night before. It's inevitable that you'll feel anxious the morning of the test. You need to bring a lot of things with you to the SAT, and you don't want to forget anything at the last minute while you're stressed out. Tip 20. Skip difficult questions. If you have trouble managing time on the SAT, remember this important advice. Avoid wasting too much time by skipping a question if you're having problems answering it. If you take too long on a difficult question, it may prevent you from answering questions later in the session, which could cost you easy points. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.